food packaging and food processing equipment
that are free from hazardous chemicals
and that do not contain unknown or untested chemicals
are beneficial to society
because they do not negatively impact human health.
Food packaging that is made from inert materials
and works in closed loops helps to protect the environment.
So food contact materials contain a wide variety of chemicals. Some of them are known to be harmful, some of them are not known at all, and many of them are known to transfer from the food packaging into the food. And this means that humans and the environment are exposed to these chemicals on a daily basis.
There are also very many substances used which are not listed and evaluated.
Why does it matter that synthetic man-made chemicals transfer out of food packaging into food? Well, because hazardous chemicals can cause chronic disease in people like cancer, infertility, diabetes, allergies, and also neurological disorders. And it's especially concerning when developing children are exposed to these chemicals.
The troublesome, worrying discrepancy between what is required legally as safety and what is reality.
In 2012, 10 years ago, scientific information about hazardous chemicals in food packaging was wildly scattered and really difficult for decision and policymakers to find and keep track of. At that time, there was very little awareness for food packaging being a source of hazardous chemicals. People just assumed that it's safe. Therefore, we started the Food Packaging Forum as an independent, science-based foundation for research and communication.
I like the work that the Food Packaging Forum does in bringing all of this complex data together and turning it into something that is useful for decision makers.
Our purpose of the Food Packaging Forum is to share the latest science on chemicals in food contact materials and articles, as well as on their environmental impacts.
So the FPF provides a lot of information about food contact chemicals and human health, and it also enables a dialogue between different stakeholders.
Food Packaging Forum is an organization that cherishes openness and dialogue, and that has been, kind of a space to start the discussion. And see what kind of common ground we have.
We dig into the scientific evidence to provide the facts. We provide many independent, balanced, and science-based publications and tools that help to protect human and environmental health.
I just thought, wow, this is fantastic. We have been needing such a forum that can bring together expertise, not just within the enforcement, but just across all the stakeholders, scientists, industry, NGOs, to discuss food contact materials.
The greatest strength of FPF is its independence from industry as well as from authorities, which means credibility towards both sides. I would be grateful if FPF continues to do what it does.
So more research, more documentation, more chemicals in databases that are accessible to users from all over the different places of society, and so that a broader understanding can be developed.
There will be a lot of more interesting and powerful projects coming and having the impact and the power to change the world in a really sustainable way.
I'm really looking forward into all these different really interesting things going on at FPF and in the food packaging universe in general. And I'm looking forward how to bring all these puzzle pieces together. I'm clearly looking forward for the 20 years anniversary.
The Food Packaging Forum is strong because of its people.